When your neighbors see this on your window, they'll think you've lost your mind. A few days later, they'll be doing the exact same thing. Aluminum foil has been used for much more than cooking for many years. Its unique properties make it useful in a variety of ways around the home. Cut a few pieces of aluminum foil so they can easily cover your window. Next, take a kitchen sponge. Add a few drops of dish soap and dampen it with water. Use the sponge to spread the liquid evenly across the entire window. Do not dry the glass. Press the first sheet of aluminum foil onto the wet window and smooth it out carefully. The moisture will help the foil stick without tape or glue. Then lightly wet the foil again and apply another sheet. Repeat the process until the entire window is covered. Smooth each layer carefully, removing air bubbles and wrinkles. Windows are one of the main surfaces through which sunlight and heat enter a home every day. Once installed, the foil creates an extra layer on the glass and reflects a significant portion of the sun's rays before they enter the room. This can help rooms heat up more slowly and make it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature during hot weather. It's a simple and inexpensive trick that many people use in summer to reduce excess heat inside their homes. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. Here's a method for dealing with those awful-smelling bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted pests. These bugs, known as brown marmorated stink bugs, are dangerous to plants. They're notorious for the unpleasant odor they release when threatened or crushed. If you spot one in your home, it's important to resist the urge to touch or squash it, as that will release its foul-smelling secretion. As the weather cools, stink bugs seek warmth and shelter, typically entering homes in late summer and fall. However, there's a tried-and-true method to avoid these bugs. All you need is a CD. Take a CD and tie a string to it. Simply hang it by the window, and the light reflecting off it will repel the bugs. Another very effective trick is to place the CD inside your plants. Many bugs hide under plant leaves, but the CD can easily deter these stink bugs and other pests. It's a cheap but very effective trick. Do you leave your window blind halfway down? You're making a big mistake. A half-lowered exterior blind in summer can actually be dangerous. Most people have no idea. Window and blind manufacturers don't mention this. During sunny months, blinds need to be used the right way. It's important that the blind is either fully open or fully closed. If you leave it halfway, like it is now, you might end up needing to replace your window pane in the summer. Why? When the sun shines directly on the glass, there's a huge temperature difference between the top and bottom parts of the pane. Unfortunately, that causes problems. The glass can become damaged and crack. It's just basic physics. And unfortunately, those kinds of cracks aren't covered by any warranty. No one will reimburse you for the cost of replacing the glass if the damage is caused by a half-lowered blind. So don't make this mistake again, and make sure to use your blinds correctly during the summer. The secret window feature that 99% of people don't know about? I'll show you what it is and why it really matters. When airing out a room, you probably know these two common ways. The first one is by turning the handle 90 degrees. That fully opens the window, letting fresh air in quickly. The second way is to lift the handle straight up and gently pull the sash. The window tilts open, allowing air to circulate. But here's what most people don't know. There's a third option. It's called microventilation. To activate it, turn the handle halfway between those two positions, at a 45-degree angle. Gently pull, and the window will open just a few millimeters, creating a tiny gap. And that small gap makes a big difference. It provides a steady flow of fresh air without losing heat. It also reduces humidity and the risk of mold. It's perfect for nighttime or during winter when you don't want to cool down the room, Try it next time, a small tweak that makes a big difference. This banknote trick will show you a hidden function of your windows. You probably didn't know that your windows have two modes, winter and summer. These settings affect air circulation and heating costs. Place a banknote between the window and the frame and close it. This makes it easy to check how your window is set. If the banknote pulls out easily, your window is in summer mode. The dots on the mechanism should face outward. In this position, the pressure on the seal is lighter, which is the correct setting for summer. Summer mode allows better ventilation during hot days and helps prevent rooms from overheating. If the banknote holds firmly, your window is in winter mode. The dots should face toward the seal. In this position, the pressure is stronger, which helps reduce heat loss and improves the setting for winter. Winter mode keeps warmth inside the house and minimizes energy loss. To change the setting, use pliers, grip the pin, and turn it in the correct direction to adjust the window pressure. Thanks to this simple trick, your windows will work properly all year round. The banknote clearly shows how much the window pressure affects the seal. All you need is aluminum foil, and your bills will be lower. Aluminum foil is mostly associated with the kitchen, but its uses go far beyond that. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a section, divide it into two parts, place it on the window frame, and press gently. Once it's in place, close the window to ensure the foil adheres tightly. It's a simple way to improve insulation. Cover your windows with plastic wrap. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use. Buy it at the pharmacy and stick it on your windows. It's very cheap, and your apartment will quickly become cool. If you don't have external blinds or air conditioning, you know how hot it gets in the summer. It turns out that this foil solves that problem. An ordinary emergency blanket has two sides, one gold and one silver. Each has a different use. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Measure your window glass precisely. Then cut the blanket to the appropriate dimensions. Wet the window with regular water and stick the blanket onto it. Use a cloth to smooth out air bubbles under the foil. Stick the silver side of the blanket on the outside. The gold side should face inside the room. This way, it will reflect the sun's rays. You'll notice the difference in just a few minutes. Apply it to windows on the south side. These are the windows that let in the most heat. I've been using this trick in my home for years. It makes heat waves much more bearable,